What's up guys, Prince back in with another video guys. How you guys been? How you guys all doing guys? And guys, in today's video guys, we got a regular video. It's like one of those, today's video is a little bit different guys. It's not a vlog today. Today is an unboxing. So you guys are probably wondering, what are we gonna unbox today? I don't usually really do unboxing. I haven't really done it. I don't think I've done an unboxing. Actually I have on the shoes, but that's about it. And I'm not really used to doing these unboxing because this was just out of like nowhere. Anyways, today we're gonna be unboxing thing that I've been wanting. Now, you guys already probably know by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be unboxing a GoPro, right? Yeah, it's my new camera, GoPro. I actually didn't buy it. I know, I was actually gonna buy it. Alright guys, so a little bit of holding the camera because I got nobody else to hold the camera. Seeing the GoPro, you guys can see say 07. The back as well, I think so. Let's just go ahead and start. So there was already an opening somewhere around here that I could find. See, there was an opening right there. It has like some tape. So we're about to take it out. So let's so here, I got you. So you can tell guys, it's the box. Really nice, it feels nice. Alright guys, so this is the only angle that I could really get for you guys, so I'm sorry, I know it's not the best, but we're gonna try to work with it. So let's go ahead and take off the GoPro thingy. And I do not know really how. Just a second, guys. Okay, we're having some technical. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take this thing off. Sorry, I know this is not the best camera angle, but if I could take this off okay. I mean, that works too, I guess. Alright, so I managed to take it out.
Right, it's actually harder than it looks. Take it out.
Alright, so here's the thing. Here's what it comes on at the back. You guys can pause and read all that. Not sure if you guys would want to, but here's the box. Alright guys, so this is actually really hard to open. My brother opened it for me, so all you gotta do is just pull this and it opens like that. So let's open it guys. Alright, with one hand guys, I'm sorry. Alright, so first what you guys get is this white thing, and then it's guys, the GoPro. Alright, first let's look at this whole entire thing. You get some things like this. Alright guys, so I just wanted to make it like this unboxing look good because this was really easy to take off, and I just really should have just done it like this, just had my brother record me. This broke, but it's okay. I mean, when I took it off, it was really hard. In the box, you get a GoPro, some GoPro things, on how to just, some GoPro stickers, and I'll be using those. Sorry guys that this unboxing, you guys can't really see the box, and then just another manual. You know what? Nah, I just want to see you guys the box. So this is the GoPro right there. We're about to take it out. You guys are gonna witness this with me. Oh, guys, GoPro right here, Black 7, and I got it with everything. Oh my goodness guys. So let's look more at the box. So the GoPro's already out. We're gonna set that aside. Now take this thing out. This is heavy. We're about to see. Alright guys, so we have the white box. We're about to open this. See what's inside here. Oh, whoa, okay. It's just some things for the GoPro, which, okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna take those things out until, because this is right here, what's actually, important to everything for the GoPro. I take that out. And the last but not least, guys, thing in the GoPro's box is this thing, guys. Like, look at that, guys. The GoPro stick. That's it. So this was probably a very unboxing. Really hard for me to do unboxing. So all that came in this box thing. I don't even know how I'm gonna do the thumbnail now. I gotta figure out a way to make it look cool because I just unboxed everything, so that's good for me. Yeah, I should have just waited a little bit. But maybe unboxing all this rest of this stuff. I do not know how to work. So once again, like I said, I'll save that for my parents told me, you know. So yeah, I'm putting that back. Please, yeah. Once again, guys, I'm so happy that I now have a GoPro. Gorilla's also gonna get one, he said. So yeah, hopefully he also does an unboxing. It's a good way to also make a thumbnail. All you gotta do is do this. Alright guys, so if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Sorry how I look. I know I need a haircut. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna get one. And so that was the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7. I know it was not the best unboxing, guys, but I promise you guys, for the next unboxing that I do, it will be better, trust me. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I love you guys. See you guys in the next video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. And peace. Love you guys.